Protein is often hailed as the king of weight loss nutrients, but how much do you really need to see results? Can eating more protein really help you shed fat, build muscle, and stay full longer? Or is it just another diet trend? In this deep dive, we'll break down the science behind protein and weight loss in simple, easy-to-understand language across 10 essential points, supported by research, expert quotes, and real data. Why protein matters for weight loss. Protein plays a crucial role in weight management. It helps preserve lean muscle mass, boosts metabolism through the thermic effect of food, and increases feelings of fullness. The thermic effect of protein. Not all calories are created equal. Protein has a higher thermic effect than carbs or fats, meaning your body uses more energy to digest it. Studies show that about 20 to 30% of protein calories are burned during digestion, compared to only 5 to 10% for carbs, and 0 to 3% for fat. How much protein do you really need? The recommended dietary allowance for protein is 0.8 grams per kilogram of body weight, but this amount is for preventing deficiency, not optimizing weight loss. For effective fat loss and muscle maintenance, most research recommends 1.2 to 1.6 grams per kilogram of body weight for moderately active people, and 1.6 to 2.2 grams per kilogram for active individuals or those on calorie-restricted diets. For example, a 70 kilogram or 154 pound person may need around 90 to 154 grams of protein per day to optimize weight loss. Protein helps you feel full longer. Protein-rich meals slow down digestion and trigger the release of appetite-reducing hormones like GLP-1, PYY, and CCK. Protein preserves muscle while losing fat. When you lose weight, it's not just fat that you lose, muscle mass can also decline. Protein helps preserve lean muscle during weight loss, especially when combined with resistance training. A 2013 study in Nutrition and Metabolism found that participants consuming 2.4 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight while dieting lost more fat and retained more muscle than those consuming less. Best protein sources for weight loss include lean, whole food sources of protein over processed products. Top sources include eggs, chicken breast, turkey, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, tofu and tempeh, legumes and lentils, and protein powders such as whey, casein, and plant-based options. Dr. Stuart Phillips, a protein expert from McMaster University, recommends a mix of animal and plant proteins for maximum benefit. When should you eat protein? Well, distributing protein evenly across meals is more effective than eating most of it at dinner. Aim for 20 to 40 grams of protein per meal. Can you eat too much protein? For healthy individuals, high-protein diets are generally safe. There's no evidence that high-protein intake harms the kidneys in people without pre-existing kidney disease. A 2016 review published in Food and Function concluded that protein intakes up to 3.5 grams per kilogram per day are safe for healthy adults. Protein and exercise, a winning combo. Pairing protein intake with strength training enhances fat loss and muscle retention. Aim to consume protein within 1 to 2 hours post-exercise for optimal recovery. Protein timing may not be essential, but regular daily intake combined with training has shown powerful results in long-term body composition changes. Final thoughts: individualize your intake. There's no magic number that fits everyone. Your protein needs depend on your age, weight, activity level, and goals. But in general, increasing protein intake, within a healthy range, can give you an edge in your weight loss journey. Conclusion. Protein is not a magic bullet, but it is a powerful ally. It boosts metabolism, curbs hunger, protects muscle, and supports fat loss when combined with a balanced diet and active lifestyle. Focus on quality sources, space out your intake, and aim for consistency. Hey friends, so we've set a big goal, to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of this month, and honestly, we'd love your help. If you're into real, science-backed weight loss content, no gimmicks, just the truth, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you know someone who's on a weight loss journey, feel free to share this with them too. We're committed to bringing you helpful, high-quality videos every day. Let's grow this community together. Are you hitting your protein goals? Drop a comment below and let us know your go-to sources of protein. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe to Truth About Weight Loss, and share this video with someone trying to eat better. More science-based weight loss tips are coming your way. Stay tuned!